Hello everyone, and thank you for watching Get Hooked Outdoor Accessories. Today, we're going to go over how to fix a crack in the cowl of your outboard engine. Every once in a while, depending on how you have it set out. I've got a cover over mine, but after 6 or 7 years, 8 years, the heat tends to get to it and starts to deteriorate it, and it'll start cracking a little bit here and there. So, we're going to go through just some simple steps on how you can repair that. The cowls can be expensive. Mine runs from between, I can get another one for another $500 to $1,000. And for around, $9 for let's say $20 under materials, you can get you can repair it yourself and it'll look really nice. So, just continue to watch, and hopefully it'll help you out sometime in the future, or maybe help out a friend to figure out how to take care of it yourself. Thank you, and don't forget to go to gethookedaccessories.com and, shop for your, next fishing reel, your rod. Maybe you need some equipment for your boat, parts, electronics. Maybe some camping gear, whatever you might need. Just go ahead and take time to look through it. Please leave your information also and subscribe. I just really appreciate it, and share it with your friends. Have a great day and get hooked. Hello everyone. Welcome to Get Hooked Outdoor Accessories. Right now, what we're doing is going to go through and show you how to repair a crack in the cowl of your outboard engine cover here. That's the cowl there. And so what we have, just basically, we've got a slight crack that has started here. It looks like it's probably from just heat, from being outside. I do keep it covered. But, I guess just sometimes with the heat, it just kind of melts it away a little bit. And, we're talking about 7 or 8 years old at this point. But we're going to see what we can do here. What we purchased, what we're using today, I'm going to be using this Permatex. It's a black plastic welder, almost like a JB welder. And we're going to see how this works on it today. So we're going to take a few minutes, we're going to go through it, and hopefully we'll get some good results from it. Okay, so what we're going to do here is you're just going to flip your cowl over, and there's some different bolts here, just for the fact that this is a cover right here that can be taken off. It's going to be easier to work with if we take it off of the head itself. So if you can see here, you've got a couple bolts here and a couple bolts right down in here that we're going to go ahead and work on taking off here. And we're going to go ahead and see what we can do. Back. We've let this sit for about a day, and looks like the JB Weld or this Permatex that we actually used on this worked real well. Seems to be sealed up pretty good. Nothing's given out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to finish cleaning up, because you can see some oxidation in that of the top of this. We're going to clean it up a little bit. Throw a little coat of Mercury paint on there, just to kind of cover it up and make it look somewhat a little fresher there. So we'll continue to do that, and we'll get this thing put back together, and we'll see where we're at. Alright, then we're going to let that dry for a little while. What we're using is it's a Phantom Black. It's an enamel print from Mercury, specifically made the Mercury Black that they use, and we'll see how that turns out. Looks good so far. Oh, let's see. That turned out pretty nice. Nice and dry. We're going to let this set just a little bit longer. It's just a little tacky, nothing bad. And then we'll get this reattached. And we'll wipe the rest of this down. Be done. Yeah, beautiful day out today. But today is not the day to do some fishing. Winds will be picking up out on the water, choppy on the intercoastal, and offshore it's supposed to get probably around 4 to 6 feet out there. Got some good friends that were planning on going today, but of course they got shut down there. So wherever you're at, guys, today, just go ahead, hey, enjoy it. Go do something. Go for a nice hike. Go for a run somewhere. Get outside. Get some fresh air. Enjoy it. Alright, so we're going to get this thing finished up, put it all back together. Let's see our finished project here. in there, and I'm going to hand tighten it afterwards. Back in business. So again, you know, that heat crack right in here, all sealed back up. Put a little paint back on it. Covered all that heat wear and fading. Almost back to brand new. All right, so that concludes that concludes that repair there. And until next time, have a great day and get hooked.